Hello, and welcome to Dairy Processing's Equipment Deep Dive. I'm Kristen Putch, editor of Dairy Processing. I'm happy to be joined today by Dimitrios Pavlidis, Vice President of Manufacturing at Graaf. Thank you for joining me today, Dimitrios.
Oh, thank you for having me.
So today we're talking about Graaf's SSV Drum Motors in an all stainless steel, one component conveyor belt drive. First, can you tell us about Graaf and how you're serving the food and beverage industries?
Yeah, absolutely. Graaf is a global leader and really the benchmark in drum motor technology for belt drive conveyors. That's been our primary focus for over 40 years. What really sets us apart is that we design, engineer, manufacture everything in house, here in the United States and in Canada. We're not relying on third party suppliers, which means we have full control over quality, lead times, and our overall performance. In the food and beverage space specifically, this really comes to life through our SSV drum motor. It is an all stainless steel, fully enclosed conveyor drive designed specifically for hygienic and washdown environments. Because we control the entire process from R&D through production, we're able to deliver highly engineered, reliable solutions that improve hygiene, reduce maintenance, and keep operations running efficiently. That's a big reason why VDG is considered a premium manufacturer in this space.
So, what are some of the biggest challenges food processors run into with traditional external motor and gearbox conveyor systems?
Well, traditional systems come with a lot of built in challenges, especially around hygiene, safety, and maintenance. You've got external motors, gearboxes, and bearings that are all exposed. This creates a safety concern and also makes it very easy for debris, moisture, and bacteria to accumulate. On top of that, the square shaft and sprocket setup introduces crevices and hard to clean areas, which increases contamination risks and makes sanitation more time consuming. And then there's the maintenance side of things constant lubrication, alignment, and repairs. That all adds up to more downtime and higher labor costs. So instead of focusing on production, teams often spend a lot of time just maintaining and cleaning equipment. That's exactly what we set out to solve with our SSV drum motor.
So, how does the SSV drum motor change the game when it comes to hygiene and food safety?
I think it really simplifies things in a big way. With the SSV drum motor, all the drive components, being the motor, the gearbox, and the bearings, are all sealed up inside the drum. So you eliminate exposed parts where bacteria and debris can build up. It is also IP69K rated, so it can handle very aggressive, high pressure washdowns without compromising the sealing integrity, which is critical in food processing. But what really sets us apart is that we're not just offering a drum motor, we're delivering a complete hygienic conveyor drive solution. That includes things like profiled stainless steel options, exchangeable sleeves for modular belts, food grade lagging, and our clean throw sprockets, which are designed to self drain and eliminate harborage points. Since everything is engineered and manufactured in house, all the components work together seamlessly to maximize hygiene and simplify cleaning.
So, from an operations standpoint, what kind of impact can processors expect in terms of maintenance, energy use, and overall costs?
The impact is pretty significant. First, on the maintenance side, our SSV drum motor is designed for up to 80,000 hours of operation before maintenance. So you're eliminating a lot of the routine service requirements you see with traditional systems. From an energy standpoint, because we manufacture everything in house, including our high efficiency IFE motors, we can optimize the entire system instead of relying on off the shelf components. This leads to lower energy consumption, fewer breakdowns, and less downtime. And since we're not dependent on third party suppliers, we can also offer more consistent lead times and availability. When you put it all together, less maintenance, lower energy used, reduced cleaning time and labor, it really drives down the total cost of ownership.
So, Demetrius, at the end of the day, how does switching to a system like this affect production, things like downtime, cleaning, and throughput?
It really has a direct and noticeable impact on production efficiency. Because it's an all enclosed one component drive system, you're eliminating routine maintenance and reducing the risk of failure. So you get less unplanned downtime. Cleaning is also much faster. We've seen up to 50% in reduction in washdown time and water usage, which mean teams can get back into production more quickly. And ultimately, this leads to higher volume throughput. You've got more uptime, more consistent performance, and a system designed for reliability. So it's not just about solving problems of traditional conveyor drives. It's about helping processors run safer, cleaner, and more efficiently while lowering operating costs.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for sharing, Dimitrios. If you're interested in learning more about Vandergraaf solutions, you can visit vandergraaf.com. That is all the time we have for today. Dimitrios, I appreciate you taking the time to talk with me about Vandergraaf solutions for dairy processors.
Thank you, and I appreciate for you having me on this segment.
And thank you for watching Dairy Processing's Equipment Deep Dive.